Well, if you are new to working online and wondering if what job can I actually do as a beginner, well, this video is for you. Alright, so today I'll share the easiest job that you can start even with little to no experience. Well, if you are new here, my name is Sasuka and I used to work at the office and teach at the physical school, but decided to work home base, which gives me better balance, more savings, and greater freedom. Alright, so at the end of this video, you will learn about the different jobs that you can start from home. And some of these jobs don't even require a degree, and you can also use your mobile phone and laptops. And I would also share my personal experience of what jobs that I've done while working from home. Alright, so make sure to watch until the end. Alright, so let's get started with number one. Data entry, and this is one of the simplest online jobs. And your task here is to type or organize information into spreadsheets or systems. And if you can type and follow instructions, you can do this. And number two, we have chat support. So instead of answering calls, you'll reply to customers' messages. So this is great if you're not comfortable speaking on the phone. All right. And number three, if you have Facebook or Instagram or TikTok, so you can become a social media assistant. Yes, you can also do a social media assistant. And your task includes posting content, replying to comments, and managing pages. And of course, number four, content writing. So what is this content writing? Well, if you enjoy writing, you can start as a beginner content writer. And you don't need to be perfect, just clear and, of course, willing to learn. So by and by, you will improve and you can also get a high paying job with this type of task. All right. And number five, we have transcription. So transcription means listening to audio and typing with your ear. And of course, it's perfect if you're a good listener and can type fast. Actually, I tried this before, but I was having difficulties. I'm not a multitask person. So sometimes I can transcribe, but not all of the words that I can get. But anyway, if you are a person who's really good in listening to audio and typing at the same time, so this job is for you. So you might ask if where can I search for some of this job opportunities on? Well, actually, in my experience, I found these jobs from Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer. And yeah, I also found my online jobs on Indeed.com and JobStreet. So you can submit your resume or you can browse these websites. And who knows, you would also find your first job from this website. So as for my experience, my first job was an article writer. And I found this job on Odesk, and it is now known as Upwork. All right. So in this role, I would pick a title written on the platform, and then I will write an article about this. And I need to ensure that I will follow all the requirements that the clients needed, especially what are the things that are needed to be included in the content. And then once I finish writing, I would submit it to the client, and then they will pay me. If I'm not mistaken, I think I usually receive $3 per article, and usually they pay it on PayPal. And then my next job was teaching online. And in my freelance teaching online, I usually use the QQ International apps. And this is a Chinese application wherein it's similar to Facebook. And meanwhile, I also use the WeChat, and this is like and Instagram. This is also a Chinese app. So here I posted my services and my courses that I usually teach. And gradually I gained clients. And now I handle multiple online roles. I teach daily English conversation, power talking, and test preparation. And I also train passionate individuals who wants to teach online. And I usually coach them on how to get started, how to create lesson plans, and how to build confidence on teaching online. So just a quick reminder, avoid jobs that are asking for a payment because our real online jobs will pay you, not the other way around. Alright, so start with one job, practice daily, and improve your skills. That's how beginners grow into higher paying roles. So do not overthink, just start. And if you think you need some more trainings before you begin, you may consider joining the course first. If you choose to start teaching online and to be equipped with the knowledge to get started, how to teach and what to teach, and how to build confidence in teaching online, you may consider joining my course. And if this video helped you, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. So that's all for now, and see you in my next video. Bye! Again, this is Sasuka, not an expert, but just want to share.